next few months, I'm going to focus on making as many of you enlightened. So this instruction is for all the Kailasas, means all the ashrams, temples, our adinams, and all my sincere disciples, followers, who literally live the lifestyle of Kailasa wherever you are. All of you listen. Next few days, start taking these 3 herbs in your food. Karisalanganni, Ponnanganni, Thuduvalai. I will repeat. I will even put the English word in the social media as the gist of the satsang. I do not know the English word now, so now I will tell in the Tamil. Ponnanganni, Karisalanganni, Thuduvalai. All the ashrams should grow these 3 herbs. If you are not able to grow, at least buy. Add this in your food. You can even cook and eat or make juice and drink. In any form, add at least little quantity of all these 3 every day. Every day, add all these 3. Please listen. These 3 herbs strengthen your body and mind. It helps you to receive the enlightenment, manifest powers. These are the powerful aushadas. Actually, I'll tell you one incident. Somebody came to my guru, Raghupati Yogi, asking for a solution for his personal problem. He was going through some problem in his house. He wants a solution. Then my guru told him, bring Thuduvalai leaf, 10 leaves tomorrow. I was sitting next to my guru when he gave this solution. I thought maybe when the Thuduvalai comes, he is going to energize him and make him eat or whatever. I just waited. Next day, that person came with that 10 Thuduvalai leaf. My guru took that Thuduvalai leaf in his hand and asked me to eat. I didn't understand why he's asking me to eat. I ate. And he asked me to sit. And he told that person, the devotee who came for solution, to touch my feet and do Pada Puja to me, take my blessings. And that person just obeyed my guru and did. My guru told me, you just sit straight. And he told me that be in that Brahma Dhyana, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Sit straight. I sat The devotee did the Pada Puja and whatever he was supposed to do. Then my Guru told me, bless this person. As my Guru told me, ordered, from that Nirvikalpa Samadhi, I blessed him. He went away. Maybe in 10-15 days, he came back saying that the whole problem is solved completely. I asked my Guru, what exactly happened? Tell me. Raghupati Yogi told me, hey, you are Paramashiva. When time comes, you will realize. Whether you realize or not. Whether you realize that now or not, you are Paramashiva. When time comes, you will realize that is different. When I gave the Tuduvalai and you ate and sat, your Paramashivatva intensely started manifesting in your body. So that is the time I asked him to worship you, do Pada Puja to you. So directly he receives Paramashiva's energy and powers. He got the blessing and he went away. And I tell you, for quite a long time, when I used to sit for Pada Puja, I will have Tuduvale in my mouth for quite a long time. Only after I started traveling outside India, when we were not able to get that herb, and by the time it was also not required, I stopped using. Tuduvala is that powerful herb. When you use Tuduvala every day, simply you manifest the powers of Paramashiva. Karisalanganni, Ponnanganni, Tuduvalai. All this heals your body and makes you manifest the powers. Especially all of you who want to manifest powers, whenever I give Shaktipada and Shaktinipada, if you want to receive my initiation and manifest the powers, please start adding these 3 herbs in your food regularly. Actually, these 3 are very powerful herbs, even to bring health in you. How much quantity to use? You can just Google any Ayurvedic or Siddha website. They'll tell you. Maybe 10 leaf maximum per day. 10 leaf of Karisalanganni, 10 leaf of Ponnanganni, 10 leaf of Tuduvalai. You can take it in the morning or noon or in the evening. You can make tea. You can make kashayam or any ways. And or you can take it as part of your food also. All the sannyasis, brahmacharis, Gurukul Balasans should take these 3 herbs every day. All the ashrams should start growing these 3 herbs every day. So that you are all ready to receive and get enlightened. This whole science which I am bringing now, just your integrity is enough. Wherever you are, your integrity is enough. You can connect and manifest enlightenment, enjoy the best things of superconsciousness, powers of Paramashiva. All the adinams, ashrams, if you start growing in the ashram, especially where I used to walk, in that very land that Aushadha can be programmed through the energy. I brought enough energy from Kailasa. I'll program them for all of you to manifest enlightenment and powers of Paramashiva. And I also wanted to tell all the Adinavasis of all ashrams, if you grow this 3 herb and give freely to other devotees all over the world who can't grow on their own in their house, you will get all the punya, good karma and blessings. With that punya, you will manifest more powers. All the sannyasis of Kailasa, actually it is your responsibility to provide all the spiritual support without charging. So this is my order to all my sannyasis, the whole sovereign order of Kailasa, all my sannyasis, brahmacharis, grihasthas who are staying inside my ashrams and campuses. You should grow all these 3 herbs. Karisalanganni, Tuduvalai, Punnanganni. And not only you can consume, you can enjoy it. You should distribute to anyone who has free of charge. Free of cost, you should give. Maybe you can let people pay the transport. Shipping expense they can pay. But the herbs themselves should be given freely, especially grown in our campuses where I lived, where I used to walk around, where that breathing space is there still intensely. Tiruvannamalai Ashram, Adi Kailash, Bididi, Salem Adinam, Rajapalayam. These are the ashrams. Hyderabad, where I physically, literally lived, walked around, energized that whole land, energy fields. All the ashrams I mentioned, all those Adinavasis should grow these herbs. You should use and share with the world. This is your responsibility. Devotees all over the world are donating money, funding us. So we should be doing this kind of spiritual support and services to everyone. It's our responsibility.